Hello guys, this is Yukan Sharik and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, then please do click the subscribe button. Here I am today at Tangkul Christian Fellowship Bangalore Youth Camp. Today I'm going to talk about entrepreneur to a group of youth, where I'll be sharing about what it takes to be an entrepreneur, the efforts that is required, and hard work that one should put in pursuing this journey. I am not going to fake anything, I'm just going to tell about the truth. I'm not going to honeycode it anything. Truly based on my experience, I'm going to share about it and why it is important to anyone in our community to stand up and become an entrepreneur. The importance of entrepreneur is going to head off in another 30 minutes. I may not be able to record there, but I'm going to share some of the points that I am going to share today. Stay tuned.